Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalu. I hope you are doing good. This is the story. After I finished installing this tile in the bathroom, I found it to be too popular for my liking. Although it is beautiful, but I wasn't feeling it. So I replaced it by this beautiful luxury vinyl tile that I bought from Wayfair. I really like this style. I think it gives a nice retro luxury look to the bathroom and brings so much vibe to it. I've decided to lay it right on top of the other tile because the bathroom video was due since I had a collaboration for the mirror. If you have not seen the bathroom makeover video, please check it out. It's already uploaded. Right now, I'm just taking you back to show you how I installed the tile on the floor. Just like I did for the other tile, I laid them down on the floor just so I could find a starting point for the tile. I am not using any glue this time. I'm using the glue on the back of the tile because they are peel and stick. Also, I kept a bottle of alcohol at hand to make sure that I remove all the extra glue and residue that are on the floor. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. You know how I do? I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. Once again, my name is Dalu. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. Yeah, I know I love you. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalu. I'm thinking of doing a get to know me video since we are close to 40,000 subscribers. The last time I did one, I was at 2,000 subscribers. So if you would be interested in that video, please leave a comment below, let me know. And if you have any questions that you would like to know about me or the channel or my process or questions about home decor, please leave them down below and I will be more than happy to address them on that get to know me video. If you are not interested, just type up no in the comment section. I will not be offended. To cut the tile, I'm gonna be using a utility knife and just trace around the obstacle.
Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah. Nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? That maybe we
To do in front of the sink, I'm just going to measure and cut.
So hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire.
Now I'm just going to add some caulk in the space between the tile and the shower. I'm going to do it around the toilet as well. In the space between the wall and the tile and between the sink. Wet the finger before going over the caulk, and we are done. Glim Squad, please put a comment below. Let me know what you think about my new tile. Did you have a preference? The first one or the second one? Please show your love by sharing this video with someone you think might be interested in it. It will mean the world to me. And do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Thank you to all of you for stopping by. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.